How to disable dial pad tone on Android phone. Want to disable dial pad tone on Android phone but don't know how to do it? Do not worry. This video is quite easy and simple, and we will show you the easy trick to disable dial pad tone in Android phone. Hop into settings on your Android device. Scroll down, locate sound and vibration, tap on it. Scroll down, tap haptics and tone. Here you will see different kinds of options. Under sounds, you will see the dial pad tone button. If the button has been toggled on in this way, simply toggle off the button, tapping on the same button. Once done, you will easily disable dial pad tone on Android phone. And later, if you want to enable, you can easily come into this haptics and tones and easily toggle on dial pad tone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.